Welcome to 7449 South Tamarac Court in Centennial, Colorado. Get ready to be impressed with the stunning features of this property. Let's take a tour of this spectacular home. The heart of the home is the kitchen. It's impressively outfitted with abundant cabinets and counter space. Updated cabinets and counters alongside newer tile flooring and appliances make this kitchen both functional and stylish. As we step into the living room, we're greeted with warmth and welcome. The newer tile flooring shines under the abundance of natural light spilling in from the large bay window. It's the perfect place to relax with family or entertain guests. Descending to the lower level, we find ourselves in the family room. This space is both bright and expansive and features a beautifully tiled gas fireplace and wet bar, both perfect for entertaining or quiet evenings in. Rounding out the lower level is the 3/4 bathroom located on this floor. It is clean and fresh with its newer tile and tastefully appointed glassed-in shower. On the upper level, the primary bedroom awaits as a serene sanctuary. Its good size is complemented by ample natural light, and it boasts its own bathroom, ensuring privacy and convenience. The ensuite bathroom shines with a newer sink and vanity, newer tile, and a bright clean appearance, offering a fresh start to every day. The home also houses 2 additional bedrooms on the upper level. Each room is cozy, with large windows ensuring each space is filled with natural light. The main bathroom maintains the home's light and bright ethos and features a full-size vanity with cabinet and drawers, blending functionality with style. Descending to the basement, we find a clean finished bonus room with a cedar-lined walk-in closet. The room is perfect for game night or accommodating guests. A full-sized washer and dryer are included. A large storage room in the basement awaits to hold all of your extra belongings.